I'm with Rachel. We're at Metro, and Rachel, you have so many applications for the pizza industry.
Yes, so when you're picking up a delivery order, the main thing you want to focus on is keeping your product hot and ready to eat for your consumers, and keep the quality up there. So we do have pickup stations that include heated shelves. So the heated shelves work on our 1-inch Super Recta posts, so you can integrate it into maybe some Metro shelving that you already have, which is really nice. And we also have enclosure kits that you can wrap the shelving in and create a pickup compartment, and that could be used in the front of house to keep orders hot and ready for customers or delivery drivers to come in and pick their items up.
Rachel, what about when a pizzeria owner or operator has limited space? How can Metro help them out?
So space is always a constraint anywhere you go. One place where Metro excels in offering better use of your space is on the wall. So right behind us we have Smart Wall being featured. So that's a grid and track system that you can utilize to create whatever station you need. So you can have this accessorized for prep, you can have it accessorized for drying over a sink. It's super versatile.
How can people find out more about Metro?
So you can go to our website, which is just Metro.com, and we have different literature and collateral on there. And we will be coming out with a pizza brochure very soon, so that'll be on there as well that you can find.
Awesome. Rachel at Metro, thanks for the time today.
Yeah, thanks.